In this video, I'm going to show you how to update all your applications at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up App Store and then right here tap at your profile picture. Now you can scroll down for a bit and here you can see all the applications that need to be updated. Here I got 11 applications and there, in order to update some specific app, I can right here tap at that update button to update Snapchat in my case. And also here, if I want to update all the applications at once, there at the very top of that list I can find update all button. So now I'll tap at update all and now the update process is started and I can just wait for some time until it finished. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.